how to use Skool. Yeah, and here we go. You see here our community. You can see recent posts and talk to people and make friends and play with them training games, exchange openings, mirror them, whatever they play the same as them and ask questions. This is one of the best ways to learn. You simply copy someone. If you have like if you never play some openings, play them. You learn a lot of new pawn structures, new ideas. It's amazing way to grow. Uh, Also, you can play training games in training positions, which I gave you. It's especially in the end games, and yeah, you can make a lot of good friends. So this is community. Intuitively, you can understand what to do here because it's like all the social media. The problem is our classroom. When you go inside classroom, you see many things, and the main thing I want you to understand first, you go to the target vision inside target vision, because whatever we will speak about, I will always talk about target vision. Notice targets and all the possible and impossible ways to them, especially which hard to see. Ghost vision, it's about ways you are missing, you don't see them, and you notice them again, again, and again, and they will become your second nature. Very simple, guys. It's important you learn at least target vision, ghost vision, and candidate moves ideas, then you will understand almost everything I'm talking about. So patterns recognition training. If you never trained, like you can watch patterns recognition, there is video. If you never trained patterns recognition, congratulations to you. You can add a lot of points to your chess rating because it's very simple training. Everyone can do that and everyone can get a lot of benefits. And important also, before you go to the calculation, uh, train as much as possible patterns recognition, because if you go to calculation without strong foundation, you will still miss simple tactics in your calculation. You still won't see moves. It's very important to have a strong patterns recognition before you move to the calculation. Okay, this is target vision course. It's about targets and ways to them. This is, guys, I don't know simpler way to explain chess, and I don't know why not everyone explains like this, because it's all about targets and ways to them, the entire chess. Okay, and now we move to share, and there is a lot of stuff, and you may feel overwhelmed. So I don't want you to feel overwhelmed, but I also don't want to delete all this. It's valuable. Uh, the next thing you need to understand, what we do regularly, we have games review. This is a real games review, real critical positions, and these are your real mistakes. You all are making similar mistakes. I highly recommend you watch all of them, and uh, also try to, yeah, you also will be here. You all guys will be here in games review, and learn how to prepare your games. Like you find critical positions, and you also give some thinking process about it. It will help a lot to see your mental mistakes, because, guys, I would never tire to say all the mistakes come from the mind, uh, not from the engine, not from the chessboard. I mean, most of the people, nearly anyone, they are looking for mistakes on the chessboard. They are looking for mistakes with the engine, with the coaches, whatever it is. But, guys, before you execute any more move on the chessboard, you think about it. This idea arises in your mind first, before any action it appears in your mind. And if you don't fix your mind, I mean, still you can grow. Surprisingly, yes, you still can analyze with the engine, see moves, and you still will improve. It's better than not analyze. But the most important, if you can analyze your thinking process, because there is some simple things in your thinking process which, if you don't fix, you will never cross certain level. And I explain you. Uh, I think most of them. Yes, I cannot notice all, and the more you share, the more I can help you. This is. I need some. material to help you. If I don't know the way you think, I cannot fix it. You still can copy me, but it's not that effective. Okay, now come back to the classroom, and all of these things are useful. If you have time, you can watch, but most of you don't, I assume. That's why I'm recording this video. Next pattern you are using is simply solve your current problem. Most of you guys have problems with critical positions, and you can find ideas in the game reviews. And you have problems with time management. You manage your clocks not well. Look for the time management course, and whenever you have particular problem, you can ask me. I will recommend you some videos about that. You can ask questions. I will recommend you some videos about that, or record new videos. But the pattern is you don't need all of that. Yes, you need to train. Like it's better to take only target vision and train to solve a lot of puzzles, to notice tactical weaknesses and waste to them again, 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 and again, and cover thousands and thousands and thousands positions. This is way more valuable than just jumping from object to object. So do not collect a lot of garbage in your mind. Just take your current problem and solve it. Training, no one is not doing. Chess is very practical game. You better to learn a little and apply it a lot. Yes, and you have some particular problem, you solve it, you will find answer here. If there is no answer here, ask me. I will help you to with some content, or record new content. So this is what I want to say. I want you to feel very simple here. There is not many things to do. Just target vision, ghost vision, and you go to the your puzzles trick, or uh, to your puzzles, and train. Yes, and then we have real games reviews, which helps you to identify your current weakness, which you need to focus on, and I give you suggestions. You can find them in our courses. Yes, and I will give you suggestions how to fix it, how to improve it, how to train it. Thank you, guys. I hope it. If you have any questions, ask me, because I want you to feel simple. I don't want to create you hundreds of courses, uh, and you kind of when when I will find time to watch it. It's not much. It's actually just one, two, three things, no more than that. Thank you, guys.